From our humble beginnings, the Alpha Chapter, our fraternity has grown into a force of good, shaping leaders, strengthening friendships, and making the last impact in our community. Welcome to the 75th anniversary. Mabuhay ang Alpha Phi Omega. Mabuhay ang Alpha Chapter. Let the celebration begin.
Alpha Phi Omega is a character-building organization that has impacted my life very significantly. I learned how to love myself confidently, and I learned to love humanity through giving service.
Mayama ka man o mahirap o nasa gitna ka lang, dapat marunong ka pa rin magpakumbaba. Kahit saang bagay, matututunan mo na rin doon yung pagiging initiative, pagiging pakikisama sa iba, pagiging leadership, tas yung pagkaibigan.
Being the NED is one of the privilege dahil out of thousands of members na meron tayo, iilan kami na nasa opisina at nangangalaga ng operations ng Alpha Phi Omega Philippines Incorporated.
Being a leader, I have learned in Alpha Phi Omega for how many years is that you have to make sure that your decision is decisive but very inclusive. Decisive because you need to have your decision very confidently made and very firm. It's inclusive because we have to make sure that the members are being heard and valued on the process.
Sa Alpha Chapter, dito yung nagsisimula ang lahat ng Alpha Phi Omega Philippines. Ito ang pinaka-mother chapter natin. From this, nag-evolve na to many chapters around the Philippines, nationwide.
The most important lesson that I've learned as an APO member is definitely to be loyal. Isinasapuso namin, isinasabuhay namin ang pagiging loyal.
Biggest challenges na na-encounter ko during this event, yung mag-raise kami ng fund. Eto, nagawa naman po ng paraan. This is just a one-time event na 75th anniversary na hindi na to, I'm sure hindi na to darating sa buhay natin uli.
I could say that I was able to break the barrier that the national president should not only be coming from the older batches of the 60s and 70s. I started it in 2017 as a millennial batch.
Ang isa sa mga meaningful na proyekto ng Alpha Phi Omega as a doctor ay masasabi kong ang mga medical and dental services. We are touching their lives, making them aware of our healthcare system in the Philippines.
Happy 76th Alpha Phi Omega Philippines. Mabuhay ang nag-iisang Alpha Phi Omega. Congratulations to all of us.
Of course, we have to strengthen our basic principles, the leadership, friendship, and service. For the leadership, we have to have a good governance. And for friendship, we have to expand more through recruitment, elevate our service. We have to focus on our legacy, preserving our legacy for future and 75 years more.
Ang pagsali sa Alpha Phi Omega ay isang desisyon na hindi ko pinagsisisihan. Hinubog ako ng tatlong prinsipyo ng pamumuno, pakikipagkaibigan at paglilingkod. Hindi ko mararating kung nasaan man ako ngayon, kundi dahil sa organisasyon na ito. Kaya mabuhay ang Alpha Phi Omega.
Ang legacy po siguro na maibibigay natin, especially sa future generations of APO, ito po yung ipinapakita ng pamunuan ngayon na ang resulta po ng mga namumuno dahil po sa mga natutunan namin sa gabay ng mga nauna sa amin na kaya na po magbigay ng serbisyo at maglingkod po ng mga young leaders katulad po namin at para po yan sa mga susunod pang henerasyon na leaders ng APO.
Years strong and forever growing. Mabuhay ang Alpha Chapter! Mabuhay at nag-iisang Alpha Phi Omega!
Thank you for your dedication, your passion, and your love for our brotherhood. Let us continue to uplift one another and strive for greatness as we move forward together. Happy 75th anniversary to the Alpha Chapter and to all of us in the Alpha Phi Omega Philippines. May the spirit of Alpha Phi Omega live on in our hearts forever.